Ublay Pibaro. Ni Priang Subhai Pi Chicken Kubor Upek Your Cable News Kabajuan Managajan Meets Ublay. Hashua pengina pash ki kubor ki babnia ngina phashwash ki mat bakongsan jongko kubor minta katayo. Rai ke sarkar banbo ikibada outpost sekeleng ki than kaput. On penstam de kebateng e ikplet Assam basiat ki brio homokro ong menteri rang ba kejala Assam o Himanta Biswa Sarma. Led word ke FKJGP belet yele eksamen ki samla sabar kejala na kebenta kakam staff nurse Negrims. Yo jamin sangut ki dekat seng phalang ki dasya kem halo kejing huri hura hak unemployment rally. Shadali unled ke HSPDP Youth Wing bandawai ke Khasi Jantia State. But hadu kanno antre kampura ke sports policy jong Meghalaya ka jingki identiti di babon. Menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma hagala asni ublay jong katayo. Ulalu me kejingelang bat kisengsan pertai boper ha secretariat ha kabedai ba gajing sya asiat yap jong kisangut kirang ba Khasi Penar ha Mukro ha ke distrik West Jantia Hills kabalaja ha ke arpu artrik unai weng bat ha kene kejingelang kalau kular banbo igi border outpost ha kithan kaput. Menteri rangba ke jela Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha ke arpu pratrik unai weng arhajar arpu ar. Ulalu me kejingelang bak sengsan pertai boper ha secretariat ha kabedai bagajing sya asiat yap jong kisangut kinong Meghalaya ha Mukro ha ke distrik West Jantia Hills kabalaja ha ke arpu artrik unai weng. Habai keren begidong patai kubor hadian belawai kejingelang Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bak sarkar jela kan bokno ke border outpost ha kithan kaput kibran preng kejinga ka Japut ha preng kejela Meghalaya bat Assam. Bat hakasngi baar kandan kejingi kendo jangka kunhun menteri ban penti kenai katup kerteng jang jaka ya ka ba anbo igi border outpost bat an sepentip ruj kinong yalam jang sengsan pertai hadian beradap ban syem mekarai ban bo igi border outpost ha ki jaka kibran jingya kaja bat ula penti kena ban bo igi pulet ban penbiang igi jing dan kambaro kenang bakini igi border outpost kentre kampura. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong bak sarkar jela kan syem mebrok kisen jam ban peti kena bagandan kejing sngan bat jingya da ginong song kibasa ha kithan kaput. Halor kejing dawa ke dorbar snong Mukro ban wengno ek Assam Forest Beat House kabadan ha kithan Mukro. Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulong ba unse krane kene kamat bat menteri rangba ke jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma. Bat uli tho ru ba ke sarkar jela kladap ban bo shi platoon ki pulet ha kene kathan. Bat sarkar kan sepen scam ban bo eka ketem pulet ha kesnong Mukro. Bat ula banjur ba kesnong Mukro ka hapo ke jela Meghalaya. Bat wat haki map bat ka kaiphat jong kesnem arjar katway ka Mukro ka hapo ke jela Meghalaya.
And second, we have also discussed about the entire border areas and areas of differences where we would want that steps be taken so that there's no tension in those areas, and for future safety of all the citizens, we could take steps to ensure that these areas some positive steps can be taken from the government side. And we sought suggestions from everyone, and we've noted on all the suggestions. Very good suggestions have come from everybody, and all of them have expressed their concern over the situation. We have unitedly condemned this entire incident. We also, as a mark of respect to departed souls, we maintained 2 minutes of silence from our side. And apart from this, the steps that are important is that tomorrow in the cabinet, we will be finalizing the lists for different areas where BOPs will be set up. And hence we shared with the different leaders from political parties that we have decided that we will be putting up BOPs in these sensitive areas and many others, and ensuring that full manpower, full infrastructure, and full whatever is necessary should be done to ensure that these BOPs are functioning well. So we will take all steps necessary in order to ensure that safety and security of the citizens in the border area is maintained. Second, of course, we'd like to also share with you that the internet ban has been lifted, so we did not continue it, so the internet access has been opened. And also we are now allowing the movement of vehicles also with the patrolling of police taking place continuously at all levels. And I would also like to appeal through the press and appeal through the political leaders that we should all work together to ensure that normalcy returns and there is no further violence in the state and especially in the capital. And we also shared with everybody that in the last few days, though there was some candle vigils that were held and some peaceful demonstrations were held, but there were some incidents of violence, and I informed all the political leaders that those violent cases, and especially the ones where individuals have tried to enter civil hospital and tried to vandalize, the action will be taken against those, and those guilty will be punished as per law for doing such acts of going into hospitals. This is something that is completely unacceptable, and the police has been asked to take action against those individuals who have done those kind of acts. And this information also was shared with all the political parties and all the MLAs of these areas. So everybody has expressed that immediate action should be taken against those who are involved in this, and government should arrest those people who have fired. They have also asked that BOPs should be set up and safety and security should be enhanced. Some suggestions also came that that the entire the people who are injured, there should be financial assistance given to them. So we have informed them that we have already taken the decision that the entire medical expenditure of all of them who have been injured will be taken care of by the government. Other suggestions have also come up that we should strengthen the overall border areas. More development activity should be taken up in those areas. Manpower in terms of police force should be increased. So these points also came out. Certain issues about certain incidents that were there in Mukro area in the village during that time were also raised, and concerns were raised. So we have assured the members that the entire inquiry has been set up to precisely find out about what really happened and the details about the different incidents that took place that time. And we have asked the SIT to obviously give us reports of all of that. So there were a number of issues and many concerns about the incident itself. So those inquiries are being taken place. And that's the reason why we felt and we realized that the border solution is the only way to make sure that this is put at a stop once and for all. And hence, very aggressively, we started doing this exercise and moving forward. And while we did that, the Assam government and the Meghalaya government have been closely coordinating to ensure that any kind of small tensions that come up should be resolved quickly and should not be allowed to escalate into any level. Development works of central government agencies, be it done by whichever government, should be allowed. So therefore, this entire process was going on. And in a large number of cases, the different situations that were there, we were able to control a large number of cases and situations that arose. But yes, this unfortunate incident happened, and there have been in the past reports coming in of tension. As soon as we get the information, at my level also, I talk to my counterpart, the DCs speak to their counterparts, the chief secretaries speak to the counterparts. So this is a continuous effort that is going on. But obviously the situation that happened has now brought light to this entire thing, and it will be stressed again that that this entire tension and pressure at the border areas has to be reduced, and no police or no government or no department can act in the way that the Assam government responded, and the Assam police, responded during that time.
Ka jingalang jong ka kunhun menteri kebelalong ha kasing baar jong katayo kala ay ka jing menjur banbo ki border outpost ha ki nyotli ki jaka ki badan ha ka jaka kaput bat ka jela Assam. Bat kala ay jing menjur ru ka Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy bat ban penkla thamaino ki kendon jong ka Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme arhajar khat khandai. Na ka benta bat ay jing yarap yakito ki bacha le bi ijot. Kakanwan menteri kebele kendo ha ka arp khandai trek unai weng arhajar arpuar kala ay gajeng menjur banbo ya ki border outpost saking nyong tadi kejaka ki badan ha kathan kaput bat kejela Assam. Menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma habayakran bagi nong patai kubor ulong ba kesorkar jela kala ay gajeng menjur banbo nyotli ki border outpost sagi jaka badan kaje kenat ki bagentop ya ka Moriap ha East Jante Hills kemukro ba tiwe ha West Jante Hills Karini Jirang, Hari Boy, bat ke Wali, Leja Dubi, bat Langpi, ha West Khasi Hills. Nalor kani an kentiu kardan ru ya police outpost ha Patar Khama aga district Riboy, bad ha Kershai ha district West Khasi Hills. Bad ke sarkar kelarai ru ban mang ha ban penyeng ya kawai ka police outpost ha Athiabari ha district West Khasi Hills. Konrad kongkal sangma udah tu baga jinglut nak benta kawai ke border outpost kan long ko ba ar klur tengka sisnem. Bat kan kot kat sau klur tengka nak benta nyau teli ke border outpost. Baru loong baga sarkar kandangnya selok shwa bagi traishnong ban yo ekajaka nak benta ban bo yagi outpost. Bat labata ya Director General Kipulet bonet cikatan Block 2. Bat ke sarkar kan sepenmi ekatoba ar jengki kerteng shnong ban bo yagi outpost. Ulong pada kejing bo igi border outpost onla banwanra kejing shingan yaki pat ba ki basa hakitan kapot.
And the cabinet today has officially sanctioned and approved BOP for East Gentia Hills in Muriap, in West Gentia Hills in Mukro and TY BOP number 3. This is in West Gentia Hills. In Ribhoy, in Rani Jiram, the BOP has been approved. In West Khasi Hills, in Umwali, number 2 in Lejadubi, and number 3 in Langpi. We have also decided that the outpost will be officially sanctioned for Athiabari. Also, we have decided that the upgradation of the outpost to full-fledged police stations will be done in Patarkama, number 1, and number 2 in Kershai. And we will ensure that we swiftly act and ensure that the manpower is there in these different locations and required infrastructure also be created at the earliest. Apart from that, there were some other areas, especially in Ribhoy district, bordering Block 2, and there were suggestions that had come up, but we had to double check with the entire local communities also, and at the same time we had to double check with the sensitivities of the areas to ensure that we are able to get the correct locations. And hence, though the proposals came in, we have asked the DGP to make a visit to those areas and come back with a proposal, especially in the border area with the areas of differences within Block 2 area, which is mainly falling under Ribhoy district. So Ribhoy also, we will come out with a second list soon, and that will be done after more detailed study is done of the Ribhoy area.
Manpower, total strength of the...
Yeah, so basically what we have to realize is that in the past, in many locations, the BOPs were set up, but the BOPs were set up without actual sanction. And hence the manpower was brought in from the district or from other police stations or other outposts and posted there on a form of a temporary basis. So when we say we are sanctioning this, that means there will be budgetary provision kept for the post. Posts will be sanctioned and recruitments will be done to fill this up. But of course, in the meantime, while that takes place, manpower from other areas will be adjusted. But these will be sanctioned posts, and hence they will have to be filled up.
There's a suggestion from several.
Ha kawai pat kaliang Menteri Rangba uli thu balabun sien ula penbor ke sarkar Pedang ban piano ya ke joint kader ha Pedang ke jela Assam bat Meghalaya bat ule krenru ikene gamat Menteri Rangba do kari bat ke sarkar Pedang kadang kemi benya halor kene ke benta.
I have written a number of times to the Home Ministry, and I have also mentioned this to Honorable Prime Minister many times, and they have informed me that they are looking into the matter. But we have not been able to yet get it done. We'll continue to pressurize Government of India that it is in the larger interest, in the long-term interest of both the states that we have our separate cadres.
Hakabaidai bagajing keren penbet puat jangkawat kebaar Pedang kejela Meghalaya bat Assam Konrad kongkal sangma uloong bagajing penbet upud usam kalak ban Cimpor hadin balami jingja ke arpu artrip nai wieng hagasnong mukro. Ulong bala kami lenti bagajing keren kedewan sedang mentau benai. Nrai namar bagalami no ke jingja hamukro, kumta ke jinglong jingman kala kelalut. Bat kumta onhab ban penslam, bat onhab ban ekran bat ke sorkar India bat ke sorkar Assam. Bat ban pet ekapor ke babiang tam ban ekran halor ke kampen betput. Haga bedai bagi jinglong jingman haga jela. Ukonrat kongkal sangma uloong bagi sorkar kadang kemi bet petuk bha ya ke jinglong jingman haga jela. Bat ule kentu ya barok banlong ki bajai-jai ban penek ke syong suk syong san haga jela. Bat ki kam tombor kim dei setia kelenti bagi jela ke di banyak cekmat. Uloong ru bagi bor pulet kin selek ke beteng ikitu ki badan keti hagi kam tombor. Bat ans pengat yaki kat kungki kendon an.
We are seeing that situation is calmer compared to before, but of course it doesn't mean we can be complacent. So we will ensure that we are vigilant and keep monitoring the situation. And I also urge our citizens and our elders and different civil society and different NGOs and all the people of Shillong and Meghalaya as a whole that this is an important phase for us, and violence is not the way for us to move forward. We're not achieving anything by being violent. The people who are suffering are our own people, and there's no reason for us to do that to make our own people suffer. And hence, yes, it's a difficult time, but this is the time we need to work together and move forward as a state and as a people.
Menteri Rang Bado, Letho ru bakakan hun menteri kal ajing menjer ke Meghalaya Mental Health and Social Care Policy, bat kene ka mat trikam kalong ke bakongsan bha ya ke babuan kim khen kor than ha kisnem ke balalet. Ulong bagjela Meghalaya ke dei ke balai ha keri banwanra ke Mental Health Policy. Bat lengba kene ka mat trikam an pentikna ban plek jingmot ke bedai bakitu ke basyakta ke bor perkat. Ke sorkar jela ke menjeru ban penklat mai no iki kendon jong ke Meghalaya Victim Compensation Scheme arhajar kat kendai. Na ke benta ban ajing yarap ya kitu ki basyak le be ijot.
And as a state and as a government, we strongly feel that mental health issues are usually neglected, and hence comprehensive policy was required to address this issue. I am happy to tell you that we are the third state in the country to have come out with this policy, and I'm sure that this particular policy will ensure that the proper attention that should be given to mental health, especially when it comes to young children, adolescent, teenagers. And of course, this is a subject that is very vast and covers different aspects of individuals' lives and different aspects that lead to issues concerning mental health. So the policy was approved today by the cabinet.
Da ke jingtmu benele banwanra ke syong suk syong san ha ka than khapot ke jela Meghalaya bat Assam. Bat ban pen snoru ke jing dawa pat ba ban wengno ya ka Forest Guard Office ka Bahamukro. Ha ka simbalang jagatayo ki MLA rengkat bat kinongilam ka BJP Meghalaya kilalit ye kendo yo menteri rangba ke jela Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma. Ki MLA rengkat bat kinongilam ka BJP Meghalaya ha ka laipo terek unai wiang arhajar arpuar. Kilalit ye kendo yo menteri rangba ke Assam Himanta Biswa Sarma bat kene kekan huan keladap da kejing sultanat haba Himanta Biswa Sarma ulakular yaki bag sarkar Assam kan penstom da ke beteng yaki pulet bat Forest Guard ke badan keti ha ke bansiat ya kinong Meghalaya Hamukro ak district West Janta Hills. Ha kene kejing kendo ya Himanta Biswa Sarma layalam da presiden ke BJP uba Ernest Mauri ha ke balaidan lang menteri sarkar uba San Borsulai UMLA ke BJP uba AL Hek bat kiwe-kiwe. Uba Ernest Mauri uletho bo menteri rangba ke Assam ulo keranda ke basai ba omdan jing persya ke sarkar Meghalaya ban bo ki police outpost hakitan khaput na ke benta ban ajing sngan ban jing ada ya ginong shong snong ndai kam dai pat ban bo ki police outpost ha uput usam jong jela Assam. Uba San Borsulai uloong bo Himanta Biswa Sarma uloong ba anpa sor jamin hakatanat survey. Balada syam bakane ke jaka ke hab Meghalaya hapo chkenta an penmi ke hukum ban penpai do ikjaka syaka Meghalaya. Rel lagi hab Assam kum takin nebed ha ke jela Assam. Uba San Borsulai uletho bagila dawa no Himanta Biswa Sarma ba udai banweng no ya ke Forest Guard Office ke badana Mukro. Badul ai ke jingpular balada ya kene ke office latai hapo upud usam jong Meghalaya. Hapo chkenta an penmi ke hukum ban pha pen prano ekene ke office. Baru hukum ru ikipulat Assam menang ni syakmat ada kihab bandrong sepo upud usam ke Meghalaya dia ban penlong ya ke jing kendra. Jadi ban pentip swash ikipulat Meghalaya ban yo ban penlong lang ya ke jing kendra. Uba Ernest Mauri uletho ba Himanta Biswa Sarma ula penram jur ikipulat bari Forest Guard ke Assam ki balasiat giru pat ba. Manula ai ke jing pentikana bari ban penistam da ke beteng ya kitu keberan keti hakan de kejing siat Uba Ernest Mauri ulang bagaji kan kalau kebas tenat berkebas seso hagaba menteri rangba kejela asam unhiar syabukro hagaba adedan regat kinong elam snong bat kinong elam ka BJP Meghalaya bali ajing arab kilong yeng kibalado ya kibat yang bathoy
ono map iki bat kebas tenat la IT ru sa CBI hagaba na ka Ministry of Home Affairs lamba u Home Minister jungi Amit Shah Jiru ulai ko order ban kan stang no kani ke inquiry da ka CBI Bat nilai kendo kumba kinong song snong na po mukro na po gentils kirang ba snong kirong ba kidawa hakmat jungi kum ke parti ki ong deban penstom ya kini kibriu bodon kiti kata la menjur dau CM jong ka Assam bat kebaar ban wengi ketuka bed house jong ka forest bodon nang teiru uang ba ngidang ya hakmat ban pet lada dei ban wen kandom simpor le e kabron kam kini baro kejingwan kejungi mata sengi nga soba kalong ke bosno tenat bat nakalian kejung u kum uta UCM chong ka government ru uklem ya sya itu ki polis don kti ban siap ya ki nong song song ki pardo poknam jungi hak te song bukro bat UCM daladiru un sahiar chetai rangkat bat ka borsnong rangkat bat ngikum ka parti ban lei ajing arab syakitu ki lanot syakitu ka yeng ki ba syam ya kane ka jingjia ka bosnusi kata kedai kekentian ke bawah air UCM Ahmad jongi Ahmad IMLA Minister jongi ban Ahmad jong barok kini dinongkit kam jong parti bat nangnes Ahmad uong ru ba kejing suk kejing sain kadai bandon hagi border kamtam haka block 1 block 2 tandai bandon kejing suk kejing sain kata ke ba uong yangi bat u air ru kata ke kerwo syaki pai ba nong song song jong ke state ke jongi ba UCM uong ba kadai bandon kejing song suk song sengai ha pedang ke jaj benreu kabadai nakatai ka thain block 1 block 2 bat mangi kinong song song jong kamay
Habis itu kan ka jing jawa berkuang bayi kan ka jing bisa ro ya kata ke jing ja de bende po me kena nomor ba ke jing siap dong gini kulit asam kerja po put sam dong ke jing me kena
baro armut KCM nakaliang jong asam bat me kila kilai pembet kan ya ka prosedur kan ya kata ka inquiry kumbadai mende ngatrai kata ka benta kila adat ya keren pra chief minister tengah soban ai ha kejing start jong sarkar bro aliang mana me kala ban po asa
kadon kau iga report ke bumi ke ba dangsian u himanto biswa ulang ba ya gini ki polis outpost dalilai ru unom sya ban set up kat pumka report ke bawah ai du chief minister menin pi yok banyak kan lo depan
kata kadai ke babakala nilai keren ni kata kebentaru hakam dai kajing ong jong u chief minister jong Meghalaya u konrad u ong ba in set up neutli ki police outpost hal tu jaka usia masam umdan ni ladang ibu ke police outpost ke badai po ke area jong Meghalaya umdan ni na kamta kajing song sangan tu ki pai ba ki jong ni na kamta ban ya dai ki nong song song jong ni umdan ni ban
Mungkin kamu tu
Pudiang.
pudiang menbo kita lagi tulis outpost kamu
Ya.
di bende
Po Meghalaya. Meghalaya. Sun Meghalaya. Kami pun dah po sam jong ka Assam. Tapi buat apa Meghalaya te gila abi ban buat nama bergadi ke jaga jungi ke. Tara gadi de masyala kan UCM jong ka Assam pula kan de masyai gitu. Ka kawai rupi kajing selok baru Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma ku UCM jong ka BJP jongi apa Assam bat mengikung ke BJP na po Meghalaya korong ba unsa khotru ya ka Survey of India ban pej ya ka map te ula kerja ka basai malar ka map lara kitu ki jaka ke badawar ki nong song ki hapo po Meghalaya wong hapo cikenta ngan pasorar ban pai no lagi de ba hawa Assam bat ki ne Assam lagi deki jongi ki duan che po Meghalaya kabari ha jongki kali ki jongki te jaka ka outpost lu ka outpost jong apa forest lu ka bawai ni reason ki bajia te la ja ba ka hapo po Meghalaya wong hapo cikenta ngan pasorar ban prama remove ta ka bay de ru ka jingrung le dan bor ka jingrung jongi polis Assam hadu nyau kilometer sa apa mukro apa Meghalaya kataru ai dengan directive kapating ba la don kono lagi di kirus diu no ki bel ki kino kinja issue ki case ki complain Kemudian jumlah sebenarnya ban rung jubor. Kin communicate bet siapa polis jangka bagian kerang ba kin siya kerang dari ban kem yang kirus niu dan yang kini issues kini ban pentip siapa ka polis bagian. Mendai siapa kini lihat kembali menangane akbak siu kirung dan bor hadu pur sam juga bagian juga hadu mukro. Ya kita taruh kini wilayah kerang pula sekali ada pas pula sim yang katakan isu ru ba immediately pas no kordaru ba henceforth dari nana umsha tu. Dari kandan cordial relationship relationship between the police of Assam and the police Meghalaya. Lah kadang no complain ya kajing lihat jong ke Assam, Meghalaya akan complain ke Assam police. Ke Assam kan lihat komju kadang nerep kim dia mensurung ke jubor. Lah dari beli ru jointly. Kin ada gede bandri. Kayak kaju kan long both states.
Kini ka jing penbet yo put usam apa ni ka second phase atau kan nang beteng ni
Kani kumulong menta kala ayat menta tang bafi kan support kamdai ke busuk namar ki haban base ya ki kot kisla ya ki haban sim ko opinion jong ki nong song snong na ki ni ki rong ba snong kan yat lu bat ka survey of India te kan ni kan support bat ke menta kala ayat bat kan support kan nomlong menta namar ku mengalak kenteng muswa kacing penbaik yang tu phase 1 kadon sipun kacing keram hakane ke phase 2 kabade ba ka block 1 block 2 ngikwa ba kan long ka bayai baik ka ban long ka permanent solution
La ban saki bahaswa ban long ke election jit nong mi khamat kiang dorbar thawan ke jela Meghalaya ke ban long ha ke senam 8,000 arpulai kiladan ki MLA ke BMI yarong na kawai ke seng syakawai pat da kejing temu banyak ban penyeso no bergeseng BJP hakalas ngi uble jong katayo laingut ki MLA ke jela ke bakentop yau ba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang u Benedict Marak bat ka Ferlin Sangma kili eno kejing long dekot da ki yang dorbar thawan jong ke jela Meghalaya laingut ki MLA ke jela ke bakentop yau ba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang u Benedict Marak bat ka Ferlin Sangma haka arpu pratrek unai weng arhajar arpuar kila eno kejing long nong mi kemat syaki yang dorbar thawan ke jela bat kila penmana baginit ban penyeso no yala dia bakaseng BJP. Kini kila ingut ki MLA kila let ban IT ka Shithi eno akam hau lampang yang dorbar thawan ke jela ba Ahmed ba lengdo. Bat penpau bakila eno ka kam long nong mi khmat syagi yang dorbar thawan. Uba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang udu MLA ka Mausen Ram na kaseng All India Trinamool Congress kadba u Benedict udu MLA ka Raksamgre constituency kadba ka Ferlin Sangma ka de MLA jong ka Selsela bat kini bro arngot kidai na keseng NPP. Habai keren bikinong pathai kubor hadian beladep ban ino kam na kejinglong nong mi kemat. Uba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang ulong babaro laingut kele ino kam na kejinglong MLA. Bat ulampang ulap pediang bat menjor kejing ino kam jongki bat kumta syen kendet bat penyeso no iladia bat keseng BJP. Uba Himalaya Moktan Changpliang ulong ba kejing temu jongki ban penyeso bat ke BJP kadai namar bagane keseng kala ban wanra ki kampenroy. Ban makiru kidan kejuk kethong ban wanra ki kampenroy ya kejela. Nalor kani kala kenturu ki patba begede ban pediang ya keseng BJP ban wanra kejing kala ha kejela. Kamtam ha ba kejela kadon kambhai ki kampenroy. Bat borok kitip bagi BJP pelok kejing alam Menteri Rang Bado Narendra Modi kala trai borba ban kentiau ya ki kampenroy ban kentiau ke yok kokot ki patba badai namar kani bagian penyeso no bagi BJP ban pentikena bagi patba ki ban yolut ki kampenroy ki balamang kerpang naga bentah jongki. Ka Ferlin Sangma kaleitho baglami no na keseng NPP kabayala me kesorkar jela kadai namar bahaduk menta ka constituency jongka kala syai no kun swet bat kamnon setiawat tangkawai ru ka college bat kani kathan kala saadian bha hakaliang ka pule puthi.
We would like the people of the state to accept the BJP so that we can bring a change in the whole state. BJP is a party for development and therefore we have nothing but development. So we need development for the state and therefore we are all joining together in the BJP party. Yeah. People at the grassroots, they all know what development means. They know what is Modi Rise. They know what is how the BJP has benefited to them by getting free gas, free lights, and even the housing for the poor, and so on. The people themselves explain what kind of development they are waiting for. So therefore, I think this is the voice of the people. The people themselves have voiced the concern that they do not get anything under the present government, and therefore they want a change. Therefore, we need to bring that kind of a change in the state.
Kinong elam ke Federation of Khasi Jantian Garo People hagala asni uble jengkatayo kilalit ikendo ya menteri ketenat kakot kakhya kejela u James PK Sangma bat kerpat bantu kelar le mekejing kisamla puli kejela kibahap menle le eksemen staff nurse jong kenegrams sabar kejela da kejing sokhya lor kejing kisamla puli kejela bagi hap menle le eksemen staff nurse jong kenegrams sabar kejela Kinong elam jong Federation of Khasi Jantian Garo People FKJGP. Hak arpu pratrik unai wiang arhajar arpuar kilalit yakendo yu menteri ketenat kakot kakhya ke Meghalaya James PK Sangma ban pensengau kejeng jong kisamla puli kejela. Habai keren bekinong pathai kubor Vice President ke FKJGP uba kitbok lang nong plang. Ulong bagi babon kisamla puli giba apply kene kekam kilawan uat akeseng namar bagi hab ban let yele ke eksemen ha Jaipur bat ha Assam. Bat kenia kelabo kejeng yaki kam tam ki kenthai namar hakini ki sngi kladon kejeng ja bat kamlong ke basngan yaki benlet kejela Assam uba kit boklang ulong bakaseng kala persang bane kendo yo director kenegrams ndrai kim shim la yolat bane kendo yo kumta kilalit ban pensnono ekene kejeng ki samla pulia ha menteri ketenat kakot kakhya kejela Meghalaya u James PK Sangma ulong bah kejeng ekran bat menteri ketenat kakot kakhya ulapen pau bagapor kelas lempalat namar kanik eksemen kan longhak arterik uno opera bat ke sorkaru kamla banai aisyo namar bakanik eksemen kadai ke all India exam uni unong elam ke FKJGP ulong bak senjam ke balashim ke sorkar ban khang ke internet man badan ke jingeki kalong ke jingdo nong ke bakrau bat mentaru ke jingdo nong kalong bayak kini kam iblat hadu hajar terli hanegrams on tip mano banyo namar kidan ki kena ke jela ke blayo ya ke admit card ka badan ru ki bampat yo setia namar ka jingbam long jong ke internet akini gisngi ki balalaj ulong bagidan hado arajar teligi kam ke balaj bat gidan deki phawa jarngot ki samla ki apply kene ka kam hanegrams bat wat ki samla ke jela ki batrei haki wei pat ki jela kidan ne ke jing angnot banwan traino hala ke jong ke jela
yang joka negrams kala arfai si di pos ki balong palat arajar tam ki pos jong ki staff no sampai po negrams jiksha yang ke pos la arfai hausnam arajar kat kendai di hendrai nomor bakadon ka kelam covid gitu ke por la pensange no spor bat la realize biang hadien ini ke pos di ke bagajingwan ke jungi ini ke ski kolong ba hadien mingi ki babon kini ki samla ki bathap kam ki lawan uat warna mingi maseng nomor ba ki babon ki kena pulih ki kena ki ba apply ke pos gimana po ke jela ke jungi ki beri ki pardok persnam kiyo yang kata center menik tho exam sedu spo Jaipur bat don ki bayo po kanong ba Assam te khamtam ki kenthai le kam long ka basnga ni ki le si nomor ba ki don kini ki jingjai kini khinyak sngi ki baladap kam kim sngan setia ban ya po jela Assam ba khamtam ka bu jinge ki ba kin le tho ya kata ka online exam stai spo ka nong ba Jaipur te de lor ta kanong rem ka polong yi bingin wan ngini keren yu health minister mar ngila persang ban bu appointment yu director jong ni grem su ndengim simlayo te ndai ke bat ka sosi kolong ba hadien ngila persang ban ya keren ban ya thir ba health minister kelong ba kapur kala slam palat namar ba ke exam kala deh kini kindiat ski namar ka deh ka arterik te bana kaliang jongka sarkar si ka mla su bani in mar kani ka all India exam pada ka juko por ngi sngo ba kani kalong ka jingdu ko bakrawi ki samla na po ka jela ka jungi namar ba jin lada kamdon kata ka jingkhangi ki internet hagini kita yogi baladap kumala ong du health minister mata da jin ba fila apurut sanga sita yo menchua lesi kala ban penkala ban postpone ke exam lani war one shift ya kata center jo ke exam jo kena naga jela ka jungi ki ban le tho exam sabar nekin yo ban tho akani po jela ka jungi ribu sosi lingba kini ki senjam bak sarkar ka kapor ka khangi kini ki internet aman ba wadon ki jinghi ba asengo golong ki jingdo nong ba khrau bat mataru jingdo nong golong ba ya kita ki sit ki baran hapo ka Negrams hospital manu ban yo kani gri ki jikli ba pensano dingi nomor ba kapor kalong dier pelat giwan pan approach somar ba ki khna hadu mentaru kidan ki balayo ki admit kan kidan bikin pat yo admit kan nomor ka jing bamlong jik internet hagini kisngi
Dah gajing sokia halor gajing sier bar gajing bam sngusngan ki samla pulih banle yale ek eksamen ha asam nagbenta ki kam ke blat hanegrims. Ha kesingi balang jong katayo kinong yalam ke BJP Meghalaya kilalit yakendo yo menteri rang ba gajala Asam Uhimanta Biswa Sarma ha Asam Secretariat bo untuk klar lem halor kene kam. Kakenhuan jong ke BJP Meghalaya po gajing yalam uba Ernest Mauri uba Sanbor Chulai bat uba AL Hek bat kiwe Kletho banakaliang Uhimanta Biswa Sarma lapha pensange yak examen staff nurse jong ke negrims kabade banlong ha gajala Asam. Bala batharu yak negrims bakali ban penlong yak examen ha gajala Meghalaya. Uba Ernest Mauri ulaong ba Uhimanta Biswa Sarma ula phone akapat jongki ya u Deputy Commissioner ka District Kamrup bomdai ban syak ban penlong ek examen jong ke negrims ha gajala Asam. Bot ula phone ru ya Director ke negrims ban phak pensange no ek examen ba dai ban penlong bet ha Meghalaya. Namar ba ke negrims kadon ha kanong ba Shillong. Uba Sanbor Chulai bat uba AL Hek gilaong ba ke examen thungkam ha negrims kadai ban long bet ha Shillong. Bat kamlong kebayah banlong syabar kejela Meghalaya namar kalman ra ekejing onong ki samla pulih kejela bat kilong ki bakloi ban penyo ek center na kebenta ban penlong yakin ek eksamen ha kanong ba Shillong.
Nakaliang kejongi kum ke parti hadin badon sibon kini kandidat ki ba apply ke kam po negrim kini ki nursing staff kini ki BSc nursing kilawan sipo office jongi jong kaseng hantai po Bibar Road kipen tu kat bitkat wala kondak ya ka exam ke jongki hang ne po Asam po BIP Road. Dan kalian ke jongki namar bakadon kane ka situation ke belong kumne ki sngusir banwan appear ke exam. Nah kalian ke jongaru ngala phone ya director jong ke negrim ngala keli bana ka daw pile kumne. Ki ong ba namar ngimdon kane ka exam cell jong ka negrim ngila as ki agency pat ki conduct ya kane ka exam hakinik center po Asam. Dan kalian juga kum ke parti ru yang badiban sangai sisnan namar ka post ka kam ka dei po negrim Shillong. Balai pikot ban le ya kane ka interview ban right ban tho ka exam po Asam. Kapasuknat kumong iba Sanbor kumong bahek bana kalian usiam Asam hang tu khmat jongi ulakol ya UDC Kamrup DC Bombay ban sya ya kitu ki college ban le exam ke exam kadai ban conduct baik kapok Meghalaya namar ki chingthung kam kadai po negrim kapok Meghalaya
kum ke parti ru ngila ajing mod ban ada direktif ya ki authority jong kadai negrim lalu ki don kam ka state government juga kan aya kan ya rapan aya ya ki interview center ni rapan aya why they have to conduct outside our state Kibun di institution ko Meghalaya ke jongi kidun board di school ke bangila ban request ki ban ai ka center ban conduct ya ini exam brai ban conduct ya exam ne negeri mawara sipo hadu Guwahati kamdan nongri be kamtam le ha ni por badon ngani ke jingja ke baidon ke jingmi kedum gram hapdek di arfut ki state atli state kelak ban wara ban ke jingnya iki kena jongi banwan mun beting ru banwan jadi nak tagadau ngai kublai kerpang ya honorable CM juga Asam mulai order hang tu hi hang jingi kedua jungi presiden jingi kedua jungi minister jungi jingi kedua ke jungi baru ke BJP hang tu lah ada boy order UDC badai belum stop no sisnon ya kadeka bergendok ya kadeka interview apa ka jurisdiction jong Asam di belong bai apa ka jurisdiction jong Meghalaya.
Nagaliang jong ke negrims kalapen mi ekejing penbana namar bagaladon kejingja ha gajala Asam bat Meghalaya. Kumta tang kisamla pulia ke Meghalaya ladaja bakimla banlet yale ek examen online computer based nursing officers recruitment examination hak artrek no opera hakiprat ligi center ha Guwahati bat Jorhat agajala Asam. Kumta yakene ke examen penlong biang kamhadian hakanong ba Shillong ha gajala Meghalaya. Kibor peniat ke negrims kelepentip bakene ke examen kaniat bechakmat nagabenta ki weipat kismamla pulia kibadan hakeleng kibenta jongkeri India.
Many students could not attend the exam which was conducted by Negrims in Assam and even in other parts of India. So what is the decision that the Negrims have taken on this?
Okay. This examination was an all India examination and it was done in multiple centers throughout the country including Delhi, Rajasthan and in Karnataka, most states. And in Northeast we had one center in Shillong because the capacity of our Shillong center in Nehu was limited. The other students had to be accommodated in Guwahati, one in Jorhat, and there were also centers in Nagaland and Imphal. The examination was successful, went on very well, and I am happy to note that the prevailing situation between Assam and Meghalaya did not affect the movement of hundreds and hundreds of students from Shillong who appeared for the examination in Guwahati. And a few students who probably did not attend, and overall the percentage of absentees has been uniform. Absenteeism has been there in almost all the states, including in the state of Meghalaya. And we had issued a notification that if there is some reason because of which the students are not able to appear in the centers in Guwahati because of this tension, then for them we will reschedule the examination. Fortunately, there was nothing that prevented thousands of students. In fact, I'll have the exact figures of the number of students from Meghalaya who appeared in Guwahati. We had 7 centers. We had 1 center in Jorhat. So a lot of them appeared. There was no problem either with the transport or with anybody stopping them from appearing or bothering them in the state of Assam. So overall, I think things have been nice on both sides and the examination has been successful.
When do we expect this? Any date being fixed for this?
For rescheduling?
Yes.
In fact, we were hoping to reschedule the examination if there was any situation that prevented students from going to Assam. Fortunately, all the students who had the intention of writing the exam, they reached their exam center within Shillong and in Assam. Some of them, they were isolated students from Meghalaya who have even appeared in Delhi and in other places who chose to use that center or were either present there. So all of them have written without any obstruction. So we do not have any reason for not being able to reach the exam center. So this is the current situation. So let's see.
Hasua bing kami ki kubor ke bedangsa ngena pai shwa shipor syakini ke jing penmana. Habapai biang syik benta jong ke kubor. Hadian arp sausngi jong ke jing syaset apatok haror ke jing subadon keti hak ban tombor kinong yat lenti bat ban penjulari kali bat ki tok hak jing yat ya ka unemployment rally hak arpu pratrik urisau. Hak ala sni ublai pat sangut ki dekat seng balang keli jamin bat ki leyo ban mi no napatok.
Menjebrang dua hari. Menjebrang dua hari. Menjebrang dua hari. Menjebrang. Tor seberang, setiap seberang, tor seberang, setiap seberang, tor seberang, mat seberang, keluar dari, mat seberang, keluar dari, mat seberang, keluar dari, setiap seberang, tor seberang, setiap seberang, tor seberang, mat seberang, keluar dari, mat seberang, keluar dari, setiap seberang, tor seberang, setiap seberang, tor seberang, mat seberang, keluar dari, mat seberang, keluar dari, setiap seberang, tor seberang, setiap seberang, tor seberang.
Hadian arp sausngi jong gajing syaset apatok lor gajing subadon keti hak ban tombor gi patba bat ban penjular ki kali hak gajing yat hak unemployment rally kablalong hak arpu pratrik urisau hak arpu pratrik naiweng arajar arpu ar sangut ki dekot jeng sang balang galio jamin bat kelayo mino apatok kini ki sangut ki belalat nak Shillong district jail ki kentup nak sang FKJGP bat ke KSU. Kini kisangut kila syakam kedai halor kejing suba bakil dan keti hak ban tombor giru patba ke beat lenti bat bakila penjular ru ki kali bat ki tok hak tan kendai lat malki bat dan keti hak kepor bagadan kejing yak rali kebala sedang namat peran hado madan yorong hab halat imkra.
Moh, gini khot ke dalam real ni.
dap ka jing tenat so employment siam dari ka jing pun kadang ya instrumen kenapa ka jing sakyam jong ki ketika kri kabu namanta ka dauba jing pun samla ka bangi ya ki mata sarkar ya ka ba kumlo ka de ban tap no ki post batali ban shna ki state employment policy bat ki ru ki bangilaเป็นเป้าของสการแต่ก็จึงจำเป็นฮอตเงินตอนนี้บันอ่องเลยก็ได้ตั้งก็จึงไอ้มันเสียมบัดก็จึงเป็นพเรียงอย่างก็จึงมุดจึงขายกระจงทีบางอังกฤษคำว่าที่ฮอตที่ลูกนุ่มดูมันเสียมก็ได้จึงชาก็ไอ้ก็จึงจำจากสการบางก็จึงเป็นช่องฮันเนี่ยพวกก็เจียบะก็ได้ก็บางวันมันเป็นสตาร์ทมันเป็นจนายอะไรดีที่ก็จึงไล่ตะกี้ขัดจงกะกี้ซูเปอร์FSPเหมือนกันirung ni kamdai na kadau bakile eknu kam ko bakla irung ni na kadau baki mi sakmat ban keren yang jingi babun balang trong ka jat ban khantam ke issue bi dai bat ke jing kanu kam ko jap ki babun ki sang balang ban liang ka HP ke issue nga ajmu ta bursin sarkar bakan don ka polisi bak keren pangga recruitment ke jing thak thungkam ha ki tanat sarkar ba per Wat bilang haong yakran sepangka MPC na DC level. Bandon ke polisi ke belum transparan. Bangira ban penduk judge dan ke jing yarut kam na jekli. Tak bohong ba bayo kam de tang kita ke itu minister. De tang kita ke itu officer ba de tang kita bedon kisah. Jingim la ban tip ke perkat dan kita bedon ke bor balai kisam jing e ban le kata. Andai na kaliang jong ni kum kiseng balang nginam chong thaj ban jai kren ya ki jingdon kam chong bobon balang kun samla ki bala pendep kam jingpule per jongki bakenam du jingkerban bat kawai nge kwa ban kren ke basai seki khot chong kaki siu chipi bat wipat kiseng balang kenmau yang senda khadop chong ni ka ngila ban ong bakadai ka along handai kani kadai ka skulwa ka baprang ya ka mesim jadi bat prang ni jinglong barang ba bat ka jingrung ni kamdai ba ka jing penduk musim hari ka jingrung ni kadai banang perhem isu ka jing itri ka sarkar bun sien ka jaka bakan penlut ka por ka jungki bakin syong ka nyether ka nyatai kunu ban thau ta polisi dai asusi kalong ba ka sarkar bun sien kalap miet bun kam kunu ban kem jadi khot chung sang balang ti ngakwa ban ken kumni kalong ba kat ba ka sarkar jungi kadang bun kam ban kem ni khot sang balang ki pulet asam gila nang sem je jing im ba kondo jing pardo ko snati khaput te hang ni pngi hap su thu sai ba kadai ka jing failure jong sarkar om ni ka sarkar ba manta kawai ka sarkar choi ka sarkar ni ba kila bakla bun ba ke dia je ngaso ban ong ba kani kadi ka por ka sarkar ba kan su thu lo jong ka benta ba ka ai kamram jong ki nomor pajba o ka ki po assembly na ke sekretariat kamdai ba sulit ban som khan ti hindai hari kamram juki galong ban snai polisi telah kemla ban snai ka polisi ngasmo ba kamdon jumut ki ban kam jadi ba gede kita ginomit mat jong pajba ka kubur kang kwa ban ong tangani ko wai kan bahai sarkar ban hukum jika tanat jong kepulit jong sarkar jela bakan lek swat kan lek kam je tu pulit asam bula siat impet jiki musim makodor tipo mukro kan don jumut sarkar perlut po ban kemi pak sang balang nai ban bitar nai aiding yo le sen ko mangaong ba yo ka terang kan seklal yo tangkom tak
Ki khon ki hajar jong hima so oyong kila judawa nado kasnam arhajar kat kendai banweng ne pensangi akam shipori ulengdo ka hima so oyong uba bashamphang thaba halor gijing keno bulatre ka kam hagurukom ka bamshai satya ha ka bede bakane ka KHADC kala pensangi akam shipor yaw ne ulengdo ha ka artrik uno pra menta kasnam arhajar arpuar ka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council hak artrek uno apra arhajar arpuar kalapen mi ko hukum ban pensangi akam no shipor yulengdo ka hima soyong uba bashamphang thaba hadin baklami gejeng ujor na ka Joint Action Committee jangki khon ki hajar ka hima soyong Ke Executive Committee jangka Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council haka khatsau trik unai wiang arjar arpuar kelapen mi ikene ke hukum. Bar kelatung yu Deputy Secretary upa asi polong kumu administrator ban pet ikejing trekam haka hima soyong kat ba kejing toket kadang ya ceprang. Bat haduk bandapan menadu kum waipat. Ha balit syem ikene ke hukum ucaman ka Joint Action Committee uba Purning Star Shabong rengkat berkiwe di gidkhot kiblalit syemik nego hukum naga kamra Deputy Secretary uba Basayomoj kile tho bekilepan pau ke jingkemen baka ki HDC kelas ngap ke jing dawa jengki ka ba kila dawa nanduk kesnam hajar khat kendai ulong shosho ba ki jing dawa banweng ne pensange akam shipor uni uleng do kalong halor ki jing da thurmur ke jing le bean kajing mam ai jing ken man la kesnam kajing mam ai sanat gerang ba snong kajing bam kimi bha yo put usam bat bun ki weipat ulong ba ka khubor ka baki kwa ban ong yo administrator kalong ba kini kisngi ban peniat seprang yaki kam ki jam jo ki hima soyong bon pen bet no ki kenrum kenram baro ki berana ki hima bar ulai ku blei ki kon ki hajar ki hima ke bla kersan ya kajing yaki ka badan nongrim
tementak sni nak liang jongi kum ka Joint Action Committee kun ki hajar jong ki masoyong hakaba nyilawan ban sim ni kan ka order na po usul halor ka jing suspend no yo ba syam phang thaba ubadai u lengdo jong ki masoyong kane ka jing suspend jong ka usul kane halor ka nong rim ba nyila ujon na du sna marja ndai ter hadu ki kisngi beladap ka ba nak liang jongi ka choice ka Joint Action Committee kun ki hajar ki masoyong nyila ujor halor ki jingle thurmur jong u halor ki jingle bean beriti jong u haga sinsar khadar po ki masoyong tena takadaw mentaka artarik Desember hajar par nakaliang kan sungsul lapan bi yakane ka order ba kala suspend no yo ba syam phang thaba kajing suspend hi kadai kibun ba akidaw hi kiba ye ujor kawi neki kadai halor ka jing bom biang karukom sinsar khadar kata kamut ba nah ka appointment order ka ba nak lian sungsul klabu ang ba dai bandon ka bodjat mal usnam andrei uleng do ba sepang thaba ha ka jinglok leng do jagu sema penbiang satya ya ka bodjat kata de kawai sakwai pat nak liang kan sungsul kala penmi ka jing betha ba kine ki hima ki dai banthung yo pi yo andrei kat kumba ka long pat une u ba sepang thaba sema don pi yo nak kata kada hapot bang hipan RTI mangi nakaliang ba sempang thaba usula sanjila de kum u lengdo pe yo kita ki artli ki daw ki ban lang sul ka kala suspend u hendai ki bun pat ki daw habedai bat ka jing bom yo sanat ki rang ba senong habedai bat ka jing ya thurmur uput usam hapo ka hima bat kiwai ki bun ba ki daw ki bang ya kan nak por spor ni ijo nak por spor kan ka suspension kan ya hadu bandala dep ban pendap nomor ba kumbalong mentahi nak liangkan usul kala thung administrator ya u ba use yu ba si polong une administrator un cencar un pet ya cencar kadar po masoyong hadu banda ni permena dokumen pat ka bana liang usul ha ban pendap ikam habide ber kejing inquiry ber kiwi pat ke banda tu kumtang so ba menta ku mukli uban pet sipor ya kan cencar kadar ikan tujur ya i ba subha ban sim khai ni kam khang ban la ban pen bet no kalong ka kam ka bakrau ka bangila ban ong lada mai hapok ka jingsar sipor ila ban pen bet ikini kin rum kan ram hapok ni masok yo
ka Regional Boundary Committee jong ka District Ribhoi hapok ka jingelam usembut Menteri Rangba Gajala uba Preston Tunsong kalasong jingelang ha kalai potrik unai wieng ha ka Conference Hall jong Deputy Commissioner ka District Ribhoi bat kene kejingelang kaletai sani bantip syai lauput usam haswa bakene kendo bat ka Regional Boundary Committee jeng jela Assam ban penbet yo put usam hagawat kabaar kajing kren penbet put hagawat kabaar kelas sedang biang hadin baka Regional Boundary Committee jeng ka District Ribhoi kelas sedang biang hadin kejing kendo ekonomi kemat agak komiti dalam kemat usembut Menteri Rangba Gajala ba Preston Tunsong hagaba ulalum biang ya kejingelang haka lai potrik unai wieng arhajar arpuar haka Conference Hall jong Deputy Commissioner ke District Ribhoi Hagani kejingelang banyatai lorupur usam ubati kena kejelam Meghalaya lawan banyasyam bentaru daginong yelam berkentup ubah dasakiat bahala mare UMLA kemohati ubadiru menteri sorkar ubah Emerald Bonds MLA ke Nongpo constituency ubah Sostenis Sotun MLA ke Jirang constituency ubah Jamborwar EM ke KHADC ubah Arpit Upadhyay Deputy Commissioner ke distrik Ribhoi Giri Prasad Superintendent ke Pulit ke distrik Ribhoi ubah H Walang Pak Iem ke Hima Jirang Dr. Balajit Singh Siem Usiem ke Hima Khairim UN Thangkeo Pasan Nongse ke Hima Meliem Nelor kiwe kinong elam jagisnong ke Hima Bat Kirai Habaya keren bat kinong thok khubor ubah prestun tunsong ulai thu bahag ni kejingelang jong obat kebaar kelalong bat bishar benia alor kikot gisla bat benetai bat gikenhun baper lalor kinong elam snong kinong elam Hima bat Kirai bantep syai halor kejinglong trai ya ka kendo ke siap haswa keji kendo opat bat kinong elam ke Regional Boundary Committee jong kejela Assam ulai thu ru bahag ni kejingelang letai halor artli kejakai ke bekentup ya ke Desh Dumria bat ke Blok 2 ha ke baginong mi khamat dengan than kila penbit penbiang ya kikot kisla bat kumjuk kejing pensisa lor kejinglong trai ya kini kijaka ha ke bakum ke komiti kila bishar benia bat pensong nong rem ki saki haswa ban shemekarai bakat do halor pun usam ubati kena ha ke bedai bagat Desh Dumria uba tensong ulapan pau bakat kum kisaki belapan i dengan ngelam ke Hima Meliem bat kinong ngelam snong bagani kathan kerang ha bapo pun usam ke jelam Meghalaya nadu kipor hendai bat kumta ha kabedai bat kanian nak yang ke komiti kanang bishar benia bha haswa bani kendo bat kibor ke Assam
mentak ngendi ka bangi khot ni kren tang arteli area ka banungkong ka dei ka Desh Dumria bat ka baar ka dei ka Blok 2 te kadang sa arteli naman ngani Ribhoi ni don southly kini area of differences te ka sa southly bat ya katangin sa le kini ki sngi balwan te ka bangi kren mentak sngi ka lombe tang arteli Kawai ka Desh Dumria ka de ka bahap apo ka Hima Meliem te nakalian ka Hima Meliem kiawan nakalian jogi menteri kiawan nakalian jogi Rambasnong ban yu kendu ban yu plu jumut ha ka ba ya dei bat kitu ki area ki jaka porok namar ba kitu ki area ki bengla submit ya kini kisnong ki thau how aja karwei ban claim na ka sorkar Assam ni discuss ya kata kawai hadin kawai bat haka ba kadung ya yo ki input je ki kot kisla na kalian jong ka Hima bat kumju na kalian jong kinong sok snong la ni ki Rambasnong ki kenhun ki Rambasnong hapo jong ka ni area parok kawai tingla ya slok tingla yo ki kot kisla bat ni ailat su ru na kalian ko komiti la ki dang don su kanu kunu ka kot kisla la ni ka kan kerja supporting document sabot na kalian ko komiti kadang pediang sengobahaya kita ru haka bangin saya steady bangin saya bu pada kerja presentation haka bakandu syua bangin lain banyak kendu bat ke regional committee joko komen Assam kata ke dekawai ke bentar ke penekong bat ke baar kolong ye kren ya ke Blok 2 kani ke Blok 2 bepintip ke hapo ke Hima haka Hima Khairim borok kini area ka hapa po kay Khairim dia kan nilai keren ya slok nilai peujumot nakaliang jong usim jong ka Hima nakaliang jong usim right bat kumjuru nakaliang jong ka jong kirang basnong nilai submit ki kot kisla ko jong ki haka komiti nilai discuss subun ki pati bat menta ni naklai komiti ni ailat su ya ki la dang don su kanu ka baki snow baki dang don ban pa ya ki kot kisla kum ki supporting documents ya kan niru ngidang ailat ya ki bakin sa submit biang sa ka komiti but lada don kam nakalian ka regional committee ngelong ready wat ban khot biang ru ka jingi keren sa sisin syua bangini kendu bat ka regional committee jong ka sorkar
ka jingelang jong ka Central Executive Committee jong ka kenhun ki samla jong ka wei ka sengsan perthai kan selech kanong ba Delhi bandawa na ka sorkar pedeng ban aino ada ke jela bapura tang na gebenta ka rilum khasi bat jantia ya kene ka rai kinong elam jong ka kenhun ki samla kila syema ka jingelang kabalalong hakalai potrik unai wiang menta ka snam arhajar arpuar hagni kesngi ki dikhot jong ka Central Executive Committee jong ka kenhun ki samla jong ka sengsan perthai Hill State People's Democratic Party kata ke HSPDP Youth Wing ha ka jingelang ka bagila syong ha MLA hostel ha Shillong kila rai banlech kanong ba Delhi bandawa ya ka jela khasi jantia na ka sorkar pedeng kani ka kenhun jong Central Executive Committee jong ka HSPDP Youth Wing kandon arsngi ha kanong ba Delhi hakmat ki yeng dorbar parliament ha ka khatsau bat khatsan tarik mentau no opera arhajar arpuar Namar bahagi ni kisngi kandon ke dorbar ha ke yang dorbar thawan parlimen. Sakawai pat karai jong ka Central Executive Committee jong ke HSPDP Youth Wing ka bakala syam ha ka ni kisngi ka dairu halor karai ban penlong ya ka lempung ya tai halor ka jingdawa khasi jantia state ya ka baan sepenlong ha ka santrik mentau no opera Arhajar Arpuar ha Dinam Hall Jayau Shillong. Ha ka bagi reu syampang ke banwan ai jingkren kin kentup yu Professor LS Gasa ubala syongthaj na katenat political science jong ke School ba North Eastern Hill University Shillong ban umuk tiar uba Robert Jun Kharjarin. Ha gani kelempung yatai on sasam ru eka khusnam shkinong job ek jinge kop tho ese halor kapang khasi jantia state bat halor kani lewere baro kibleshim banta banwan chkane ke seminar. Ha ga ban penmrai ke kerteng joginong job. Ha bakran kinong pathai kubor kini kesngi kinong elam jong ka Central Executive Committee jong ka HSPDP Youth Wing. Kliatho ru bah ka jing penrung yagi samla syakasang HSPDP. Haduk menta tang kitu ke bela penrung lang ba online ladon palat san hajar arspa ngut. Bat lada khen lang baro ikitu ke ba penrung kerteng higi distrik boper kalakot syaka arpo hajar ngut.
Ngi la ya kren ru hakabede bat kata ke enrollment drive kabangi ngila penbenan nakawi kapur syakawi pat. Kabas ngau tonat kalong kani ke enrollment drive ke jongi menta kalapoi syakabenta kabangi mlak ban mudur. Ka jing kiu hakabede bat ka jingrung ke jongi digi samla syaka parti ke jongi. Kala tam ya ka san hajar ars pak tam. 5,200 plus youth are joining the party. Bat ka ba kham sultanat kalong ba wat kini ki kon samla ki jongi. Ki badai na ki thain lai umkhra polo bat keleng jong ka sor shilong. Ki la phai khamat shekani ka parti ke jongi. Ban nalor kata. Kini ki samla ki balaya phai shekani ka parti ke jongi. Ka pen I ba kimdi tangki khna hanrei ki deiru ki riurang ba ki badon ha ki profession ki ba pher la kalong ha ki medicals la kalong ha ki academics ke jongki bat kum kita ki don ha ka parti ke jongi te kabalai ngila penbena ba ngila shimya karai ha ki bana ki bladem ban penlong da ka isi competition ha ka bede bat ka khasi janta state ka bas ngotonat kalong baki babun bagi kon samla khamtam ki samla puli ki jongi kilayo bani shimbanta hakbede bat kanika isi competition ka basa menta kalong basatang bangin ay ke kusnam bat ban penbena yakata
Baniale ban bot den halor ke jingkular ke sarkar jela banthaw ke State Education Commission. Hakasngi palai jong tayo kinohi kai school hapo kalama jong Meglaya SSA School Teachers Association. Kilalit ikendo isumbut menteri rang ba kejela uba Preston Tensong banyatai halor kini kamat. Kinohi kai school hapo kalama jong Meghalaya SSA School Teachers Association hakashitrek uno apra Arhajar Arpuar kilalit ikendo isumbut menteri rang ba kejela uba Preston Tensong banbut dia na kabede ba kejengdawa banthaw ke State Education Commission. Bat kini ka kenhuan kalapan pau ke jeng sengutenat aba ke sarkar kaladak bantung ya ke search committee na gebenta ke State Education Commission ke baniarap agaban penbet ya ke jing e jokino hikai ha kejela. U Presiden jong kene ke association uba Aristotle Rembai habaikan bekenong pathai kubor ulero ek sarkar MDA halor ke jing thong ya ke search committee kaban clear do chief secretary kejela hagba unsa ajing mut gi kerteng bantung kum u ne ka chairperson bat ki dekhot jong kani ka State Education Commission uletho ba search committee kaban clear do chief secretary kan ha ban shimik jingkit clear ban ajing mut ya u ne ka chairperson bat ki dekhot jong ne ka commission kaban penbet gi jing e jokinong hikai ha kejela Uba Aristotle ulong bag sarkar jela kala kular ban shimkya ya gi jingdawa jigino hikai SSA ban kentiu ketulap bat ban raalut ya baro khadar rajar sanspa safwengut kinohikai SSA naga State Implementation Society syaka Education Department jong kejela ulong bah kini kejingyalang kle keren ru ban plat no ketulap ke baar benai ke barang sateng ke badai jong benai risau bat nai weng syua ke Christmas bat ke sarkar kala kular ban plat no ketulap syua ke Christmas
Berhak tu kajing ya keren jongi, tu kajing kendo jongi. Nakaliang jongi Deputy CM ila ai komitmen ini ba yak isu jongi. Kata ya ka enhancement of salary. Pat kum juru de mentaban merge lani ban chief ya baro kino hikai SSA na po State Implementation Society po State Education Department on regular basis on address daka State Education Commission kabakin sa thum ti ko ba kalong menta aku ba pilih TV bahaka kendai trik jong 9 November nakaliang jong ka cabinet kala ayak approval ban constitute ya ka State Education Commission ti halor kane nakaliang jongi Meghalaya SSA School Association on behalf of all SSA teachers in the state of Meghalaya niwan ban ai ko bay terpang ya ka MDE government halor kane kamar ngilay kren ba i Honorable Deputy Chief Minister ba lakuno bakin penkloy ban appoint new chairperson bat kumjuro yaki members jong ni commission te nakaliang jong i Deputy Chief Minister badon brom ila pentip yangi manakaliang jong government kala de bantung ya ka search committee kebal akli dan chief secretary but akli kindet pol kan salah ban tung na di penbana ya du chairperson bat kumjuro ya members jong State Education Commission te ngikwi lenti pada kajingwan jong kan ka commission kan address shibo ni kajing jong ki noika niyo ban pensengau ha commission niyo ban peni ki document station ki jong bat kum ta tekter ngikwi lenti pada kajing don ka commission at least dalam lah 100% ban solve ya ka problem jong ki noika at least kala ban is mo kan dia ya ka kajing jong ki noika ka jelam kali ha
Menteri Rangba Kejelam Meghalaya Konrad Kongkal Sangma ha kesintho dieng jong tayo ulalit jengo bat ajing yarap iki arngut kirangba ki badana pedeng ka jingsha sumar hanegrims na ka jingsha asiat iki pulet asam ha ka arpu ar terik nai weng ha kesnong mukro ha ka distrik West Jantia Hills. Menteri Rangba Kejelam Konrad Kongkal Sangma ulalit ajing yarap ka song tengka na ka Chief Minister's Special Grant bat ngaladi shimet ikni ki arngut kirangba ki bakentup yauba Elias Samayang arpu prasnam kerta baruba Shani Nartiang saupu prasnam kerta. Konrad Kongkal Sangma oleh keren bat kini ke balam mensau hagaba ulapan pau bakani ka de jingarap ka bau aiknang bagani ban penankam bat de bai sumar baro an sasio do ke sorkar jela bat ulakit bok ru ikini kirang ba bagin yo no ekamet ka bakot ubakya bat ulai kublai ru iki doktor bat kinos ke balai ka jing sumar ka bapaka ya kini ke balam mensau kini ki arngut ke balam mensau na ka jing de kuli kiladan mentala khatlai singi ha hospital ban mentah kelas sedang menyo obor bat hakini ki kendiat singi ki banwan kin seyo ban mino na hospital ban net pa shalayeng hakini ke jengo Menteri Rangba ikini ki balam mensau laidon lang director ke Negrims Professor Dr Nalin Mehta ki doktor kinos bat kiwe
and out of them, 2 of them were quite seriously injured, and in the beginning it was quite complicated, but with the help and the support and the work of and the care, most importantly, of all the doctors here at Negrims and the entire team at Negrims, I'm happy to see that they are out of danger and they have stabilized, but yet they are not fully recovered. There's still a bit more, some more procedures that are left that needs to be done. They're just waiting for them to settle down. But my purpose of visiting here was to really to meet the family members, to see the condition of those who were injured, and also to provide some financial support for my Chief Minister's special grant, and also for my personal side. And as I had announced earlier, the entire expenditure of theirs for the entire treatment will be borne by the state government. So I had come here to communicate to them about the support that we are giving from our side, and to let them know that we are here with them in this difficult time that they're facing.
Ha kesengi balang jogatayo Menteri ke Sorkar Jelau ba Asan Borsulai baru Presiden ke BJP Meghalaya ba Ernest Maury kilalet chaka GNRC Hospital ha Guwahati banlet pejo Inspector ke Customs ba Central Excise u Alok Kumar u Blasha Thombor ha kiriu Shim Kabu ha ke arp sautrik unai wiang arhajar arpuar ha kenong ba Shelong. Kini kinong ilam ke BJP kilakit bok ket riang yau nu Inspector u berana pedeng ke Jingsha Sumar bad kila ajing yarap yu de kepisah kenang bonyo bensiu ya ke jinglot ha ke hospital. Ukumar uloong baudan ha kenong ba Shelong ban le ke training bad ha ke miet jong ke arp sautrik unai wiang ulami benit tet dawai henrei bon kidukan kilakang. Namar badan kene ke rali hajan ke Civil Hospital ha Shelong. Ulang bahaba ulayo ekadawai kumta ulami banai paino andre onda poya kesurok ajan IGP kidan ki kena ekibedi secret kiblat hombori u hakajing kenja jongkalenti. Ki doktor ki basumari u kliatho bau kumar ulas sedang bankot. Bad ulas syasur na kebenta jongka klik ban menta lapan kan rian oyu na ke ICU syaka private ward.
फिर वहाँ 25-30 लड़कों की एक टोलियां थी उन लोगों ने डेडली अटैक कर दिया हमारे ऊपर आप देख सकते हैं
जी सर जी
कोई बात नहीं आपको दुआ कर रहा है अब अच्छा होगा
Wanlah haga jingja kebarang depja dangshan haga senong bukro akaba sangut kibriyo jong kejala Meghalaya kelado ki jingim na ka jing syasiat ki pulit kejala Asam. Nrei na kaliang ka Asam kadang not hi ban kentho kelai kejat benreu khasi penar ki basyong basa akan ke benta kaput hapadeng kini ki arjela. Haga ni katayo kawei na kisang bahalang kejala kalami syakamat ban penrem halor kini ke jing kentho jong ki bor kejala Asam. Haki kindiat sengi balala kalami kejing kentho now Chief Executive Member Jongka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council da gebakeno bagi khasi penar ki basyong basa akasyong mukro kidai ki basyuan buhai snong bean hagane kejaka bat keno ru bagi dei kinong tu uding. Halor kini kejing kran uni UCEM Jongka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council utuliram ronghang. Hakalai potrik unai wiang mentagasnam arajar arpuar kawei ni kiseng bahalang kene kejela kata ka nyotrap Aceh National Movement HANM. Ha kejing kendo beginong patai kubor hasilong press club kala penrem jur kini kejing keno iki khasi penar ki basyong basa ahmukro. U Vice President Jong ke HANM uba kelang thongni ulong ba keseng ka kentat bat ka penrem jur kini kejing kran lapla jong CEM Jong ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council. Bat keseng kadawa na kesorkar Meghalaya bahkan simkiai kini kejing kran jong utuliram ronghang. Namar kani akan penbong bat penjak buram kipat ba bat kejela Meghalaya hibrok kowei. Shosho haba benrap ikejingkran Vice President jong negaseng nakaliang jong Chief Advisor ka HANM Ranikor Circle John Sangma uloong bagani kejingkran UCEM ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council kala aru banwanra ikejing sungai perjat benriau hapedang ki khasi penar bat ki Karbi.
Kani ke kentian illegal settlers kalapan ingkong ingi kum ginelam jong kaseng kalapan bitar bat namar kata kani kepor ni dawa bat ni kwa ba une urang ba un pensyai ya ke jingmut keberan syadien yang ini kentian illegal settlers hangti hamokro kumbakalong ki nongsong snong hak tu ke jaka hak tu ke snong ki day ki jat benrio kasih bat kani ke statement ke jong niu rang ba kalong kum ke insult ya ke jat benrio ya ki paradok persnam jongi badan hangthi ki basa hangthi hapo mukro bat ke jingmut ke jong niu rang ba klempep kan wanra dagawai ke jingthau bat kata kan long ban penia kelas ya ki artili ke jat mriu khasi ke jat mriu Karbi naduk ke pasdang kum ki nelam jong ka state ki political party ki seng balang ba per ki seng niam ki lapen sngo thu bakani ke issue ke de interstate dispute interstate issue hapleng jung artili government jong Meghalaya ba government Assam kamdei ban kata jaj benre henry kei ka ba kala pengi khongi kalau bau ni urang ba CM jong ni ka Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council ula kentho daga boong ba ki khasi ki besong hang tu ki dei ki besong bian kani klempap kan wanra ya ke jingi ya super jumut jongi arteli ki ijat mriu hapreng jongi khasi bat ukarbi lada nakleng jong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council barangkat bat ki official ki jongka kin persang ban le thombor lane ban kni yak tu ke jaka kabalajia hakini khndet sengi ki beladap ya ke bagi mensiam ki baloi loi jing parodok senam jungi kila thiak langkrang la tuoj ke senam kin wan ban let bor ngim ban se kum kin alam jong senam nyihab ban phaidien try ya ke ki belaja ha thana haus nem arjar shipho ngimban sing mi haban phaidien try but ngimban sero binga haban shim ga action lada kini ki bor jong asam ki sedang ban pen I da ka bor.
This is the number one question I like to put in the state government. Let it be UDP, let it be Congress, let it be NPP, no problem. But when it comes to issue of border area, you all the politicians are stop the playing politics and come together and look out what solution you can bring out for bring a peaceful in the borders area. I think if I'll not mistake, even that police department also, that SP from Jaintia Hills, that special force and department battalions are, if you ask regarding this border area boundary, even they also cannot tell you regarding our Meghalaya boundaries, because from the state government they have not given the training or came or explained them that this is our area, this is the Assam area. For that's why we are creating every time the problem we are facing. So I request once again the government of Meghalaya, please do and come together all the political party and see, look how you can bring the peace, normalcy in the borders area.
Number one, I think these statements are not appropriate at this point in time. Number two, I really don't have any comments to make, because obviously a lot of leaders and individuals will make their comments. What is important is the leadership at the state level in Assam and the leadership here in Meghalaya. We are both speaking to each other and talking to each other, and the statements made by us is what really is the important statements and what matters. So therefore, every individual should refrain from making statements that could unnecessarily strain the situation. Anyway, situation is complicated even now, but this kind of statement should be avoided. And as I said, most importantly, as I said, a lot of individuals from both sides do make statements. But as I said, the most important are the statements of the two chief ministers, and I think that is what is the official stand for both the state governments. And clearly, Assam chief minister has made his stand clear. And of course, from our side also, we have made our stand. The BOPs that we are setting up are very much within the jurisdiction of Meghalaya. Obviously, there is no question of us setting up any kind of BOP, even in the areas of differences also. There's no question, because that's a very clear understanding between Assam and Meghalaya. We do not want to complicate the situation by saying that we're going to put up BOPs in areas of differences, or we're going to set it up in Assam. I mean, there's no question of doing that. We're very clear. The BOPs that will be set up will be in very much the administrative control and the areas where existing government functions are there. And this is being done in coordination with all the local people out there. And people understand it and they are happy. And this is being done primarily to give the confidence to the people that the security is there for them, and the police force is there for them. In those complicated times when the police force is there, then obviously it would have helped the people out there. And in the long run, we want to give the people of that region, especially the sensitive areas, a sense of security. That's the real purpose of us doing this. And as I said, I once again reiterate that all these BOPs are going to be set up very much within the boundaries of existing Meghalaya, and no areas of differences or in Assam will be, at this point in time, no BOPs will come up.
Da ka jing sokya halor ka jing mat jing jong ki santli kilong yeng namar ka jing do no ukpa ka yeng uba pendap penbiang namar ka jing syasiat dia pakai pulet ka Assam ha ka arpu arterik unai wieng ha ka sing palai jong ka tayo ka seng United New Trap Movement UHM kalalit ai da gedor khas sembut menteri rang ba ka jela uba Preston Tensong bandawa ba ka sarkar jela ka de ban penkeu ya ka song ai jing yarap pat bantung kam sarkar iwe dikhot na kini kilong yeng ki blamat ya kene ka jingja ka basngosi da kejing sokya halor kejing mat jeng jeng kisan teli kilong yeng namar kejing nono ukpa ka yeng uba pendap penbiang namar kejing syasiat nyap haki pulit ka Assam maka arpu arterik unai biang ha ka shiterek uno opera arajar arpu ar Kaseng United New Trap Movement kalalej ai da kedor khas sembut menteri rang ba kejelau ba Presiden Tensong bandawa ba sorkar jela kadai ban penkiono agajing ajing yarap bat bantung kam sorkar iwei dikhot ngini longyeng kibalamat ngini gajing ja ke basngosi u Presiden ke UHM uba Charlie Rani uloong bagi santli kilongyeng kiladu no ikinong kamai bagi nong pendap penbiang bat kalawei jengki gadan hagajing ma ke bakrau nomor kajing bam don syu yau nong pendap hagajing Ka UHM keladawan ke sorkar bakam dei ban ai tang san lak tengka hendrei kedai ban penkiono agane kejing ai jing yarap pisa. Bak ke sorkar kedai ban ai kam ai jamru ye iwi dikhot ngini gilong yeng kenang bakin lak ban kersan ye lagi yeng kisam hakis nam ki bandang wan. Ubarani uloong bak UHM keladawaru nak sorkar jela bak kedai ban kem bat ban wanra sa Meghalaya ki pulet Assam ki badan keti ke ban siat gisan ngut Kinong Meghalaya bat di bantian bishar ki bat ban penstomeki kat kumki kendon an ki beteng e. Ulong bagaseng kelada waru baya ke border outpost omdai ban bu habarato ndrai de ban bu bet mukro ban wana keleng jaka ki badan hakatan kaput.
Ba ni kong du kajing dawa kajing kolong ba ni ong ya ke sarkar ba ini sanak ba PI kan numpat la ban pendap ya kajing masam bajuki balaja. Tinggi keren ya kata nomor ba beli nomor kalong yang kebaca tu itu kilong yang kebalangan kapot kimin du ini kepada kolong yang nong kinong kamai ti halor kata kanong rem tinggi ni ong ya ka sarkar ni dawalang sarkar bahkan aikam no ya iwe dukat na kawe kolong yang ti hadin kijing keren ya kita berokat nilayo ya ka kejubah assurance na kaliang government limba di PTCM ta ba in aya kata kinakapan kiushu ya kata extra sya bakin syong ginriamen biang ya kata dia on top of that ndai tang kataru ndai tang bakin kiu ya kata extra sya kinyale kuno bakin hagini gi tayo banwan bakin thawla thawlunti man penyo ya taka kam kajam yi we longyem kata ki ong gilada syong perkhat pana do hini kisi badam ini dokumen bakin gi jingdawa jungi gilada don lupa kata kajing perkhat kalian government kam tam nam ta gi dok snam jungi te ka baar ka halor ni jingdawa jungi kolong ba ya ke border outpost ke bakila temu banbu tengi la ong naru ni kong singi ba nadu mensyai ni la nakaliang ka nakapor sa ko nakaliang ka sengi judawa ban pengklan gi police personal sipo kitan border te kan ni kala poi hadu luput bakan kala poi ni ke jingja kisah kendit menteri ni sarkar tengi la ong ba ngim kwa kat kum ke jinga keren juni bagi shnong barka ilaka silang mentang stai ba ka outpost binbu ang te po bordo ni persyajur mangi kwa ya kan outpost binbu kataru po mukro kamandai hapo berar bat kam kesam te nakalang ka taru nakalang jong di PTCM ila ong ba kila de beraya taru bakin sim ya kan senjam bakin nile banbu yang tahi caka kemangi kwa te kita ki bangi ibu mon te ka bakadu ngiru ila de one spok human rights menen bangila five spok bangila human rights mangila dawar nak sarkar ka jokapor mentahi kesngi ba ya kan ni bahkan simti bang katung kajipan ka jengi ni omba ngipan ka NIA bahkan sim ya kan ka investigation tendelai keren pada ki omba ka NIA kamla ban sim kumikini ki civil case markan ni ki hap civil case ka NIA ka sim tangya ki terrorist act te di halor kata nongrim baki hap an ai bishaka CBI inquiry tingila ong hiru ba ni kajindawa ka jengi kalong ba kin pengklan bakin ya kitu ki pulit bali bam kem merdor hadu nadu kapor ti ki ong bala dap ai po CBI ka sale badan kam te nakaliang jong ka government of Meghalaya police department ru kimla shu bakin muslia nongno ya ka ba ka CBI ka ladip sim te last but not least mun chong no kadon hangi ka kani ka jingdawa ka jungi kalong ba ya kitu ki ka ka jipelrem ya kitu ki pulit Assam ki ba terrorize mo nongno ki bala sim ya ka jingim jong ki khot jong ka jingri jungi ada kum kita teroris mo bana syusiat wadiau merat hapo sarkar dia masiat winang don kaan ten radio katno yang mensimbriu le tengi penrem jori ki bat ni ai ka jukit bok yang kalong yang jukit san yang ya ka ik bakila angat akan ka apot bakinum don bakinum kusrai ka sengya chami kadon dekat barki nam ta kini jingdawa ki jungi ba pinyo ban urlom ba bangin pen urlom bai hadu pinayo ya kata ka justice mensyongno ya kata ka jimbishat mahok namar menglai keren syai mata baru di PTCM nyong ba kajimbu por yang sarkar ko ang arbanay ng pendep ya kanika inquiry tingi la keren syai ya di PTCM mentaru ba kadika inquiry ngim ko bakan kut kumbakut ka case yung ba shiris namar ba yo le si la syai la dep taman staf imyo nong obaladep ya kanika jing ya kanika jing inquiry ya kanika jing bishar ti kan syuya untuk kelam dan kelam pensitom dan kelam saja itu kulit ti kita kebadun keti haban siap yang kita beri ujungi ti la penting kenaru nak kalian ka government mental bau deputy CM ujungi ba kai ka bakila le shkman bakinya kani inquiry on la dep kani inquiry arbana hapo kin sa kem be kita beri bat kin sa le badun kam kita gi ngila de keren setelah hidup ngio ya keren matasi kai ka ba la keren syai hagaju kapor kijing dawa na kalian paseng ba nadu menshwa ni sukman matasi bangin yosno ba ya freelance registration ka bangila dawa na du menshwa ilayo banyak keren nang setelah matasi kita ru ti la de ong ba katu kijing hadin bangila de syong class meeting ni syong barka government ti ngila ya keren ba kani freelance registration idon kam nomor dor apa kita kaput ti gila ong ba ka land and forest atau kapor ba ka don apo ka kadai hapo ka discouncil tinggal lali batch po discouncil la keren baru CM jang discouncil tu kapor ti ong ba bill ada pas mila file udah RTI la bio do ka copy joka bill ti adin nila tinggal ada ya keren ber CM yang bakal sa apo ka DCA discouncil affairs tinggal lawan po DCA ta ka jimbun kamno bakal jano i ba shi tu sekini gi mi gi issues bubun tingim shim yo budin shun rai menta tinggal la shong ba deputy CM yang ba itu ka bill ada pas ni bakal lalong an menta nak la pas ng governor tang ba kilap ha yang support this council bakin pisnano segi rules tingata ki rules ka syong ka jing state rekam jong ka this council apo jingaram jong CM tingi sanang le kendo CM du ban kam ban pen kena ya kata ba kisnai no ta ki rules kanang ba kani ka jing ki jing dawa ki jing urlong no kanang ba ki ba basa apo ki tan kaput no mini di beduk ki ba ruspa ki ko ban register ka jaka ban le inu ikam haban lut lagi pau lagi lak no lagi lak lagi jaka ki bedon citi kawi ki long yeng kidon diki akar kimdai shubu dan tandi square feet kumi don yang ni te ban register kawi ka jaka kamdai ka basu tingi ni expect ru ba hakini ki knyat manai banwan let's see lada ka discouncil ki shimkhian urut ban pisnan ki rules te tangang tahi kelala ban ulong lai kini ki dawa ki
Haswa bing ne kemi ki kubor ke bedangsa ngena phai shipor syakini ki jing penmena. Haswa bing ne kemi ki kubor ke bedangsa ngin penken mau biang ikimat bekongsan jongko kubor menta ketayo. Rai ke sarkar banbo ikibada outpost sekeleng kithan kapur. On penstam de beteng ekplet Asam basiat kibrio homokro ong menteri rang ba kejala Asam o Himanta Biswa Sarma. Led word ke FKJGP belet yele eksamen isamla sabar kejala na kebenta kakam staff na senegrims. Yo jamin sawut kita khot seng bhalang kita syakam halo ke jipuri hura hak unemployment rally. Syadali unled ke HSPDP Youth Wing bandawai ke Khasi Jantia State. But hadu kanno antre kampura ke sports policy jong Meghalaya ka jingkli lenti ki babon. Komisi benta ban aimen siam ki nong ilakai ki beliau kore kita kema ha ke North East Olympic Games arhajar arpuar ke belalong ha ke nong ba Shillong. Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs jong kejela ha kasing thok diang jong katayo kalapen kup buram ikini kinong ilakai ha kejingalang ke belalong ha ususatham auditorium ha ke nong ba Shillong. Ya kini kisispa prapu prangut kinong ilakai rengkat bat san pesangut ki coach lapen kup buram do menteri rang ba kejela Konrad Kongkal Sangma kum kongsan. Rengkat kejingidan lang director Katanat Sports and Youth Affairs kinong ilam ke Meghalaya State Olympic Association bat kiwe-kiwe. Menteri rang ba kejela ula pelat dru ya ke sports scholarship scheme na kebentaban ajing yarap kinong ilakai kejela ki beli okori kita kemah ki lumpung yakob kum kejing ai mensiam ki bakinang ilakai bahasyo bat banwan ra nam bat buram ya kejela bat ikarihi berokowai Habakran ha kejingelang ukonrat kongkal sangma ulai kublai yaginong ilakai ke balawan ranam bat buram da kejingyo atakma ha ke North East Olympic Games arhajar arpuar. Barulong bak sorkar kanyai beteng ban ajing kersan bat jingyarap ikinong ilakai kejela bagian laban job ha kejingya kop hakari bat syabari rukumjo. Menteri Rangba ulapan pau kejing kermens camp bak kejela Meghalaya kanyo kekerdan ke Beningkong ha ke North East Olympic Games ke Banlong hakis nam Banwan. Batkan laru banyokur pun kita kema haga National Games.
When I say that the youth is our greatest strength, I mean it. And every step that I take and every point and every program that we do, all of this is leading towards this one particular thought in my mind, that if we are to unleash the energy and unleash the opportunities and the entire capacity of the youth, we must be able to channelize their energy. And it is the government's job and the government's policy making that will enable us to channelize your energy. If these youths that you saw on the screen are not playing the sports, are not being able to allow to go into their musical field, are not able to go into different interests like sports or fashion, well, we can expect that they will find another way to unleash their energy. And that energy may be a very destructive one. And hence, as a government, it is our duty, as a society, it is our duty to allow you to be able to do what you do best, to allow you to follow your passion, to be able to do the things that you believe in, the things that you're really, interested in. And that's really where all of this comes from. This is the reason why we do the Meghalaya Grassroots program, where 500 musicians today are being paid by the government of Meghalaya to perform and to be able to do what they do best. It's the reason why we have programs like Aspire Meghalaya, where we want you to be confident, and that small nudge that is required for you to be able to unleash your potential. Aspire programs will build that confidence in you. We did the youth survey because we want to be sure that what we think you want is exactly what you want and not what we want. Because without a survey, we'll be sitting in the secretariat and making a policy which you may not even want. And so without knowing what you want, we can't make a program and policy and plan. Hence, if you see and connect all these dots, all these activities that are going on everywhere, there is a purpose behind each one of them. It's not that we just want to organize a great Northeast Olympics. Of course we want to. But there is a much larger picture and a goal towards this entire thing. I look at our youth who are here today, the 12 lakh youth who are in the age category of 12 to 20 plus, 29, 30. And we look at this category and we say that, well, these are the youth that are going to be then taking our state and our nation forward in the next 10 years, 15 years. What would we want you to be? Whether you're in sports or whether you're in education, whether you're in political life, whether you're in social life, whatever you are in, whatever you do today is going to shape you to become what you should become 10 years from now, 15 years from now. And if we as a government and as a society fail to give that space to you and the chance to you, well, then we can expect the worst in the coming 15 years, 10 years. So we may not be able to see the whole result or the outcome of what we are doing today, but trust me, you will look back after 10 to 15 years and then you will look back and say that, well, this is exactly what we planned for. So it's a long journey that we are all working towards. It's a hard journey, but we have to work it and we have to plan it. We may not be able to do everything perfectly. We started and we struggled in the beginning. After 16 years hosting the Meghalaya Games, huge challenges were there. Huge difficulties we faced. MSOA faced a lot of criticism. Government of Meghalaya faced a lot of criticism. People started making fun of us and started to say, well, they couldn't even organize Meghalaya Games, why don't they organize Northeast Olympics? But that was a challenge we took up and we said, no. Well, we'll do it even better than what anybody could ever expect. And we did it with all your help and support. And so it's really, that's what it's all about. And I'm so happy that not only did it go well, but more importantly, I'm happy that all of you have done really extremely well. And I hope that you will continue to do more in the future.
Ti parlok da ketung la pois kabukut jong thup kubor jong imenta gajan miet in se syam bang bat pil syam tayo ha gajok kasngi bat ha gajok kopor kublai shibon kapor jong pi bat tiasuk